Hey guys, Pratik here from SigmaMind AI. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add third-party apps like CRMs or help desk systems or any other tools that you want to use in your conversational AI agents on the SigmaMind AI platform. Now to add your third-party tools via APIs, all you have to do is go to Tools here on your dashboard and you can add an app. Just click here, add an app name, test, and I'm gonna just hit submit here. And you see this app come up here. You add the authentication. So for example, for cal.com, I'm gonna add there's no auth required. And what I can do is I can just add for cal.com API specifically, we need to add headers. And this is, I'm adding an API integration for getting booking details from one of my events set up in cal.com. So one of the headers that is required is cal API version. And this info you can find on any API documentation. So for whatever tool that you are adding, you can find this particular info on their documentation. And in this scenario, what we are going to do is add content type as well. And for this is the t value pair that we're going to set. Just hit submit. So we've added the authentication and then actions, right? So in order to add actions, what I'll do is, so let's say so in this case, I want to add the get available booking slots. And then I'm gonna add get as the HTTPS request method. Now you can add any of these HTTP methods, and endpoint URL for this particular API or request method is this. So in which you can find in again the documentation provided. So here I'm gonna add the endpoint URL as well. In this case, the parameters that are required are these, right? And then just hit submit. Now you see this method shows up here. Now in order to see if your API call is actually working, you can just hit test here. And in this scenario, you enter all these details because these are the parameters that you want to pass, right? So I'm gonna add these details and see if it actually works. Test it out. And there we go. So you're getting the response status code 200, and you can see, which means it's a successful API call, and you can see it's fetched all the booking slots available for this particular event type. Okay. So this is how you add any apps via APIs from the SigmaMind AI platform. Now, let's say if you want to use this particular integration on your agent builder, this is how you do it. You go to AI agents, and then let's say I want to use it in a debt collection agent. So I'll go to this agent, and then let's say I want to add this app action. And over here, what you'll now see is this particular API that we just added, integration that we just added. It says cal.com test, and then you can add an action get available booking slots, and there we go. So this is, as you can see, very easy to add any third-party API integrations and to use it your agent builder. So if you'd like to check this out, just go to your SigmaMind AI dashboard, and if you haven't signed up, go to sigmamind.ai/sign-up, and you should be able to build these. Thank you.